Welcome viewers! Today we take a close-up look at my favourite GHO's product, the Buzzy Bee Puck Kit.
Here we have the two styles of kit as you would receive them if you ordered one from our Etsy online store. The Enthusiast kit is on the left and the Pro kit is on the right. The Enthusiast kit comes in a stylish black cardboard box and the Pro kit comes in the khaki impact resistant plastic hard case. So when you open the kits up, you'll pull out the charging instruction sheet for the BBP vibrational harmonics device that's on the left. On the right, you have the page with the QR code. If you scan this code, you will be taken to a video that we have up on our YouTube channel, which gives some instruction on the do's and don'ts while operating the BBP kit. Finally, the Gold Hive Originals business card in the middle with another QR code that, if scanned, will take you to our Etsy store. And on the back, there's our email if you'd like to reach out. Okay, so let's have a close look at the Enthusiast kit. The Enthusiast kit comes in a very nice black cardboard box. The box is loaded with everything you need to get up and running. All components are snugly fitted into a stylish foam insert for protection. So when you finish using it, you can put everything back into the insert for safekeeping. We expect that the insert would be placed into a more resilient type of container at a later date, as the cardboard box is just for shipping purposes. Seen here is the BBP Pro Kit. The Pro Kit comes in a very resilient plastic hard case that will protect your BBP kit for years to come. It also has a stylish foam insert that allows for all the components to go back into the case after use and ready for the next gold recovery session. The Pro Kit is a step up from the Enthusiast kit. It comes with extra components, 2 stuck pucks instead of 1, a total of 6 magnets, which is 2 more than the Enthusiast kit. They can't be seen in this image as they are stored in one of the stuck pucks and of course the protective hard case. This snippet of vision illustrates the versatility of the BBP. It can be mounted vertically, horizontally, shifted around at speed and ease to amplify the effectiveness of the device in use, using the movable puck or placed in a permanent position using the stuck puck. The BBP is designed with people who live with mobility issues in mind and would be an ideal addition to their gold recovery system. No matter which kit you go with, you'll be taking your gold recovery to the next level and beyond.
There you have it, get your BBP kit today, and I'll leave the link in the comments. All the best.